This has been our home for millennia. For almost that entire time, we've lived with and alongside buffalo, who we call Ini. But more than a century ago, both of us were the targets of genocide, and Ini were killed off from more than 30 million down to less than 1,000. In the span of one generation, they disappeared from our lives. Without them, our world collapsed. But there were some of us who refused to give up, who held tight to the hope that with the return of Ini would come the healing from this trauma for the people. This is a story of survival, of resilience, hope, adventure, and determination. This is our story, the story of the Niitsitapi, Siksikaitsitapi, the Blackfoot people, who against enormous odds gave their lives and hearts to return Ini, to bring them home.